Okay, we're only a little bit obsessed, and if this was your car, you'd be in love too.
Right. Fox 40's auto expert Nick Miles explains the 5 emotions of the Lamborghini Huracan. Is it Huracan?
I think so.
Huracan EVO Spyder. Oh.
I'm a very emotional person when it comes to Italian supercars. I got to spend a week with Lamborghini driving their new Huracan EVO Spyder. It's like owning your own roller coaster. This 640 horsepower two-seater convertible initiates 5 emotions in me: anticipation, joy, trust, surprise, and love. The anticipation is easy. This next generation of V10 supercars creates anticipation by just looking at it. You know it's going to amplify your driving experience to the maximum, increase your color, sense, and sound experience of driving this open-top bull. And the next emotion is joy, and joy with this vehicle is the sound, that beautiful Lamborghini sound. Flip open the switch and start the engine. Sound is one of the primary senses that creates joy, and joy is something that driving this Lamborghini brings me. The next emotion is trust, and Lamborghini have a lot of trust from all of their owners because of their superior engineering. This V10 engine here is governed by an electronic computerized system called Lamborghini Dinamica Vehiculo Integratia, which is their brain of the vehicle. This can make decisions about what you're about to do before you know what you're about to do. And that dynamic trust allows you to take control in the cockpit. That's a surprise of what this vehicle can do on the road. Once you get it out onto the freeway, onto open roads where you can actually put your foot down, it still handles like a Lamborghini. The road conditions change, the vehicle adapts, and the handling is still what you'd expect from the Italian bull. Owning a Lamborghini is something that many of us aspire to do. Frank Sinatra explained it best. He said, "Those that want to be own a Ferrari, and those that are own a Lamborghini." The next emotion is love, and I'm in love with this vehicle as much as I can be with an inanimate object. I mean, who wouldn't love something that does 202 miles an hour as a top speed and does 0 to 60 miles an hour in 3.1 seconds? Lamborghini, I love you. I was having so much fun driving this car up and down the coast that I forgot to apply sunscreen. A little pain was completely worth it for the emotions that this new Lamborghini allowed me to experience. The brand new Lamborghini Huracan EVO Spyder starts at just under $288,000. For Fox 40, I'm Nick Miles.
Like you said, we're too poor to afford it or pronounce it.
Yes, we
Pretty
are.
pricey. Okay, we're going to switch.